Jay, it's Lewis here. Just giving you a quick update on the post Kaizan project plan. We are coming to the end. It looks like we're going to finish right on time. I know we actually are going to be on the short end, about the 3 month mark. So that's real good as far as timing wise. We do have one right here that is waiting for MLR to update us as far as the equipment and component button functionality. So that it looks like to be the only one that won't be complete as of now. But for the duplicate case rules, we had something set up and it is now live on the service case page layouts. And I believe the other one was the Kanban Tech View, which is also available for each location. Service managers can utilize now and update the service techs in the service port and case through the Kanban list view with the drag and drop functionality. So that was something we're really working hard and trying to finish, which should already be complete. So we should be good there. And we have the shipping notifications already set up for the warehouse. I know Chris was working on the automated emails for the customers based on stages. That should be complete now, and you can opt those guys in and opt them out. I believe service managers and coordinators should have access to that. But everything looks good and complete. If you have any questions or anything on this list, please feel free to ask and shoot us help desk ticket or something, and we'll be glad to help. Thank you.